Hello guys, how are you? Well, it's Goli. Welcome to another Natas Web Hacking challenge. So let's go to see what we have today for Natas 12. Here it's written choose a JPEG to upload. So okay, there we have to upload something and let's see the source code. So here we have nothing to do. Then get random string, make a random path and make a random path from file name, and here this is the function of the web page. Basically, okay, it's getting target make a random path from here. Okay, so this is this function and return this, so it comes directory and fn. What is fn? Directory is upload and fn is post file name. So is file name. Okay, this file name, get a random string and put the JPEG here. So here it doesn't look well written, because why it should be in the client side. So this is not good, and also this one is not good, client side. So probably we can change these two when we are sending our request by burp suite, and this file comes here. So get a random string, and there is a function to produce a string. Okay, characters length is 10, and yeah, character, so it gives us the string and path. Okay, let's see what we can do, and probably we need the burp suite. Let me launch burp suite. I don't want to update it now. Next. So as you know, burp suite, you should configure the proxy of your browser. So I go to preferences here, general. I'm using Firefox, so Chrome it would be the same. Network setting, and I go to setting here, manual proxy. So I put this localhost and okay. So now all the requests which I want to send. So first I should check the burp suite. Let's see, browse. I have just these two from the last Natas. So they are not JPEG, but I think we can upload them because it wasn't in the client side. So when I say upload, so you can see it comes to burp suite, and then I go to proxy. I can see this is my request which I want to send. See here, I told you we can change it, and we change the maximum file size, and then I want to send it test PHP. I'm changing the name, and here okay. So you can see this is the, let me show you, get a random string. So it's created in the front in the client side, and we can change it easily. Okay, so I want to send the PHP file to that PHP, and then so I think I can send whatever I want. So I prefer to send a file which runs a command for me, and on the server side. Actually, I didn't know in PHP. I just had a search, and then I thought with the function path through we can send the command to the server. So I think this will work because we saw etc Natas Web Path. So we found in former challenges that all the passwords are in this file. So here we try to find that, and we don't need this. You can delete everything, and then I want to forward this. Find it. Test the PHP here. Forward. Okay, PHP. So you can see here the name is, it has been changed again because also that we had two more functions in the server side. Forward, yes, here we have the password for Natas 13. Yeah, it was just, Burp Suite, we could change the format of change the extension of the file and the content, and we easily just upload it to the server. And let's see, Natas 13, yeah, forward, Natas 13, and forward for security, yes. We solved Natas 12, and have a nice day. See you.